Okay, so big things are happening. Huge things, in fact. I'm not even gonna do a proper intro because fuck it. Anyways, tomorrow I am picking up my brand new phone. I am so hyped. I got a 128 gig blue iPhone XR. I am so hyped. Brand fucking new from Apple. So yeah, SIM card's coming out of the SE, going into a new XR. And for that, I'm actually trading in one of my Galaxy S9s. I'm trading in the unlocked one. So, yeah, I get $125 of trading value with that. So that actually covers a good bit of the cost of the new XR. So, yeah. And I am getting the blue one again. If you guys remember back in 2019, I had the XR for about 3 months. Well, time to dig out the case again. The XR... I officially have it again. Well, I don't have it right now. I pick it up tomorrow. Today is Friday. Almost said Saturday. Friday, April 16th. So I pick it up tomorrow on the 17th. So, yeah. Let's get it. Okay, so it's the next day. We don't pick the phone up until around noon, so we still got a couple hours left. But we got to go do some stuff before we actually head over to the Apple Store. So, yeah, let's go do it. Okay, so we have under an hour before we go pick up my brand new iPhone. We just had to stop back home to drop up some stuff we got from Target, so that's all we really had to do. But we're gonna head back out in a few minutes, run over to the Apple Store, go grab the iPhone, and yeah, then it'll be time for an unboxing. And here it is. Just kidding, this is one of the old boxes. This was the 10R box that my mom's iPhone 10R came in, so we got this back in like the end of 2019. But here is my new iPhone XR. So since they stopped including the charger, the box is a lot thinner. Let's actually do a little size comparison. Like that's a pretty big difference. Yeah. Alright, let's go and unbox. So like I said, I got the blue. This is the 128 gigabyte model. There you go. So let's go ahead and kind of get my way around the tripod. How am I gonna do this? Oh, and there we go. Shrink wrap that off. There we go. And oh, there it is. Yo, look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it looks so good. All right, I'm gonna set that over to the side. And in the box, you now get a USB-C to lightning cable, which I already have one, but nice to have an extra one. And you get your paperwork with you get a SIM tool with that, and you get only one Apple sticker. Pretty cool. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. All right, I can't wait to put my SIM card into that guy. I'm charging up the SE really quick, so I have enough battery to actually put my stuff on, scan the code, so yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and peel off the shrink wrap. There we go, and go ahead and power it on. There we go. So while that's powering on, let me grab my case that I had on my old iPhone XR. And there we go. Perfect. And there we go, we're right into it. So let's go ahead and start setting up. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know that does that. That's awesome. English, United States. Okay, let me grab my iPhone SE. All right, we're running on low battery power, so I'm really hoping. Oh, shit. Hold on, I gotta do that. Unlock to continue. Okay, hold the. There we go. There we go. Passcode's entered. May take a few minutes to activate. I'm gonna have to throw my SIM card in. Let me actually plug the SE back in so it doesn't die. This is the USB-C cable. Don't do that. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go and set up Face ID. You guys can kind of see it. Yes, I know how to set up Face ID. There we go. Shut up. Nice. Alright, Face ID is set up. Transfer directly from iPhone. Hello? Alright, hold on. Let's try this again. Okay, not working. Alright, so it's been a little while, but I was getting stuff set up. There we go. But I got a good chunk of my my stuff set up on my home screen. You can see I have now a second row of apps, where on the SE, where did I put that? You can see on the SE, I only have a single row of apps there, whereas on the XR, I have a second row, which is really cool. So yeah, pretty awesome. Let me lower the brightness here. There we go. That's a little better. So with that being said, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys smash the thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button down below, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And I'll go and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.